Activity 1, Unit 2, Moment 3, Past Participle by Mariana Alejandra Pérez Díaz. Number 1. What is the past participle? And give 3 examples of irregular verbs and 3 of regular verbs. The past participle verb is one that is used both in the simple present passive as well as the present perfect. The form of the verb usually ending in ed. The verb is used with have in the perfect tense and with be in the passive. 3 examples of regular verbs: kayak, played, painted. 3 examples of irregular verbs: eaten, broken, cut. Number 2. What is the gerund form of verb and give 3 examples. A gerund is the ing form of a verb. It is used as a noun and has the force of a noun and a verb. Example: Carla is swimming on river. I like going to the beach. He is singing. Number 3. What is the infinitive mode? And give 2 examples. The infinitive is the base form of a verb. It is often preceded by the word to. Infinitives often appear after other verbs. They join to verb. Example: I hope to visit you next week. She tries to eat fast.